Good morning, everybody. It is the most glorious day down here on the beach. Just done my walk. Should have really worn my bathers so I can jump in, because I'll just pan around for you so you can actually see that Melbourne is putting on one of these incredible days. And I think it's due to be about 34 degrees today. And so that's good, but probably getting to be the last of our warm weather. So popping on in here to remind you that in 1 month's time we're doing the second series of The Art of Listening. I've got one full day already booked up, and the other 3 days, the other 3 days are getting booked up really, really quickly. So should you have not heard about this interview series, I have brought it about by sort of doing something a little bit different to the fast, hard, brash, short form kind of pinch everyone stuff, not authentic marketing that you might be seeing across socials at the moment. And it's actually working really, really super well. So we're absolutely loving it. And I look forward to interviewing you, should it be in your lane, or should you be passionate about what you do and whom you help. And I love listening to you. But to break through a lot of that noise, we actually need to be in a position to understand how we help each other, be conscious and listening to ourselves so that we can apply that or come at somebody who needs our help and take them to where they need to go. So in the world we've got at the moment, I think we need a little bit more of this. Call me pushy on that idea towards you all, but you can disagree if you like. However, I think we need a little bit more of it. So I look forward to interviewing you on that. I look forward to sharing the other interviewees with you all, with all of the stuff that they do. And I'm working with people whom are communication experts, right through to people who've worked in the space of child protection, and then all the way through to experts that are so good at ascending someone with health through the menopause years. All different things, even communicators in the space of being lawyers and things like that. So it's really cool. Yeah, a lot of fun. I'm really enjoying it. So that happens April 7 that week, and you make a booking. All of the interviews are going for about 20 to 30 minutes. I don't want any more any longer help, because most of my people whom are listening are very busy. They've got stuff to do. So that's how that's working. And the other thing is that we've really pushed into helping you with your online courses and to scale those as well. Other than that, every single morning and noon, I'm getting out into this beautiful, beautiful sunshine and making sure that I move my bod before I sit down in front of the computer. All right, team, thank you for all you do to enhance the lives of others. I look forward to seeing you on that series, but also hearing from you. Just drop into my DMs, and that's the easiest way to get the information. Bye.